College of Skills Development, Hanawal. I'm sure you've heard the news. Online courses are changing careers everywhere. Let's explore the best ones for you. First up, Virtual Assistant for Amazon. Master the art of e-commerce and help businesses thrive. Then there's Digital Marketing. Unlock the secrets to online success and become a marketing whiz. Next, Social Media Marketing. Learn how to turn likes into leads and become a social media star. And don't forget Computerized Accounting. Get savvy with numbers and keep businesses running smoothly. Ever thought about working as a front desk officer? Perfect your people skills and be the face of a company. Or try WordPress. Create stunning websites and blogs with ease. Computer application is your go-to for essential tech skills. And finally, computer graphics. Turn your creativity into digital masterpieces. So what are you waiting for? Pick a course, start learning, and skyrocket your career today. Please contact for more details. WhatsApp. No